Somalia is more connected than most people realize. 86% of Somalis own a mobile phone. In a country that has rebuilt itself from the ground up, the mobile phone became the backbone of daily life. For payments, for communication, for commerce, for survival. Over 2 decades, Somalia's telecoms network has grown to cover the majority of the country with 4G. Fiber optic connectivity, 2 subsea cables, the country's first 5G service. Built by a Somali-owned company backed by 13,000 shareholders at home and across the diaspora. The infrastructure exists, the coverage is there, but nearly half of Somalia's device base is still on 2G or feature phones. Not because of the network, because of the device. For low-income Somalis, the upfront cost of a smartphone has been the single barrier between them and the digital economy. But Somalia had something most markets do not. 20 years of mobile money data. Millions of Somalis building a financial footprint every single day. The credit history was there, just not in the form a traditional lender would recognize. Hormuud and GetPhone built a credit scoring system from that data, assessed in seconds at point of sale. No bank account required, no formal credit history, just a SIM card. For a deposit of $19 and daily repayments of as little as 60 cents, customers leave the same day with a working smartphone, 1 GB of data, and 30 minutes of calls every single day for a year. Hormuud subsidizes the data cost, making the combined price of the device and full connectivity a small daily top-up on what many customers were already spending on data alone. The program includes a family guarantor mechanism, 1 subscriber underwriting access for a relative. In the pilot, customers in Mogadishu used it to get devices into the hands of family members in rural and nomadic communities. The demand runs deeper than the city. For those communities, and for every Somali who has never held a smartphone, this is not a device upgrade. It is a shop, a classroom, a bank, in their hands for the first time. The barrier was never the mast in the distance, it was the handset in the pocket. With a target of 100,000 devices in Somali's hands by the end of 2026, Hormuud and GetPhone are closing that gap at scale. With a model built for the realities of this market, Somalia built the network. Now it is connecting the people it was always built to serve. And in doing so, it is showing the rest of the continent what is possible.